What's going on, mother truckers? I want to start off by saying I'm a dummy, I'm an idiot, I'm foolish, I'm stupid. I was dumb for not paying attention to this, so I just want to set the story straight. Okay, Heartland Express bought Smith Transportation out of Pennsylvania for $170 million. I did talk about that in the situation a couple days ago, but what I did not do was put the right picture in the video. I put a picture of Smith Trucking Inc. out of Minnesota. And I want to say and apologize to Smith Trucking Inc. out of Minnesota that I was a dummy for that. They are in good standing. Smith Transportation out of PA was the one that sold to Heartland Express. So I apologize for that confusion. Super embarrassed. So, I made that video publicly. So I want to apologize publicly. Again, I apologize again. I was stupid for that. And Smith Trucking Inc. in Minnesota is in good standing. So I'm just letting you guys know that because I make mistakes too, but to make things right, to publicly make a video about it is the best way I can do it. So thank you so much, mother truckers. Comment down below.